Crash Course on German Sports, a study of Germany's sporting culture, including popular sports such as soccer, handball, and ice hockey. Germany has a rich sporting culture with a long history of success in various sports. From soccer to handball to ice hockey, Germans take pride in their athletic achievements and support their teams with passion and dedication. One interesting example is the story of the German national soccer team, which has won 4 FIFA World Cup championships and 3 UEFA European Championships. The team's most famous victory came in 2014, when they won the World Cup in Brazil, defeating Argentina 1-0 in the final. The team's success is due in part to their emphasis on teamwork, and their disciplined approach to training and preparation. Another example is the popularity of handball in Germany, which is considered the second most popular team sport after soccer. The national handball team has won 2 Olympic gold medals and 3 world championships, and the country has a strong domestic league with a dedicated fan base. In terms of ice hockey, Germany has produced several world-class players and has hosted major international tournaments, such as the 2010 UEFA World Championship. The national team has also had some notable successes, including a silver medal at the 2018 Winter Olympics. Here are the top 12 German sports. 1 soccer, 2 handball, 3 ice hockey, 4 basketball, 5 tennis, 6 athletics, 7 swimming, 8 cycling, 9 boxing, 10 skiing, 11 rowing, 12 fencing. In summary, Germany has a thriving sports culture with many successful teams and athletes across a variety of sports. From soccer to handball to ice hockey and beyond, Germans take pride in their athletic achievements and support their teams with unwavering dedication. Poem. From soccer fields to hockey rinks, German athletes show what they can think. Handball courts and tennis courts. Their dedication never falls short. In stadiums packed with fans so loud. They play with heart, they play with proud. Their spirit lifts and never dies, as they chase victory in their eyes. From Berlin to Munich and beyond, their passion for sport is strong. From Olympic gold to World Cup wins, they show what discipline begins. Song. Verse 1. From the soccer pitch to the ice rink, German athletes never stop to think. They give their all with heart and soul, to make their nation's glory whole. Chorus. In Germany, we love our sports. From handball to basketball courts, our athletes shine in all they do, and we cheer them on, me and you. Verse 2. In the pool or on the track, they strive for gold, they don't look back. Their strength and skill is clear to see, as they push themselves to victory. Chorus. In Germany, we love our sports. From cycling to boxing bouts, our athletes shine in all they do, and we cheer them on, me and you. Verse 3. From the slopes to the rowing boats, they face the challenge, they never choke. Their courage shines through every time, as they chase their dreams sublime. Chorus. In Germany, we love our sports. From fencing to skiing resorts, our athletes shine in all they do, and we cheer them on, me and you. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse team.